To start your registration, log into StuView at stuview.georgebrown.ca. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main menu within StuView. Select Registration Services. At George Brown, there are two different ways to register depending on your program, by course or by section. We'll show you how to register by course first. Under Registration, select Register for or Change/Drop Courses. If you've applied to more than one program, you'll see them listed here. Select a program for registration and ensure you read all the important messages presented before clicking on Continue. For each program, there are options to select courses and timetables. You will be able to select each course individually for registration. The color coding indicates time conflicts and will display whether a course is full. Select all the courses required for the semester and scroll to the very bottom of the page. Carefully review the blue text related to elective courses and receiving an exemption. Check the box if applicable. Click Submit and ensure you read the college policies on this page. Registration will not be confirmed until you accept the college policies as part of your registration. Once you have successfully submitted your registration, you'll see the status here under the registration menu, and you can view your weekly timetable. Select Home to return to the main menu. Now we'll show you how to register for a section or block-based program. If you've applied for more than one program, they will be displayed here. Continue to the program for which you have accepted the offer. Ensure you read all the information displayed. In this type of program, a specific block of courses is pre-selected. Some programs require placement testing for college English. Note beside the COM course, it states, Book English Test, click here. For new students registering in Semester 1, you may be required to write the English and/or Math placement test. In this example, the student is required to write English placement test. You can choose to book your test now or after you register for your courses. Scroll down until you see a section that you would like to select and click the radio button beside the block code. You may continue to the Submit application, but English placement testing is still required. Click Submit. Ensure you read the important college policies and click Accept. Once submitted, you will see the status here under Registration menu. You can view your weekly timetable and return to the Registration Services menu. For more information on registration, please visit stuview.georgebrown.ca.